Honk, honk. You love you too. That's FEMA truck. Said FEMA. Look here on the windshield. So FEMA is doing their part. I think these might have went to. I think these went to Asheville. See, and private companies. It says FEMA, Emergency Disaster Services. Honk if you love you too. Hey honk. They go right here on the road, right here in Hot Springs, North Carolina. Keeping it real like a big ball of oil, whatnot. Gotta have sense of humor, people. We might be down in certain communities, hey, but you can't keep us down. Like that Gentry Hardware says down there in this say Kingsport where I live. Down here in Hot Springs, Gentry Hardware, it says, Gentry Hardware will not die. Thanks, Gentry Hardware. Can't keep a good man down, or keep a good business down. All right, my friends, I love this town. It's very, very beautiful. The Appalachian Trail is the sidewalk on the right side of the bridge. And this is just about a regular vlog. I came over here because I wanted to see for myself firsthand, is Hot Springs as bad as the people said it was? And it is. The business downtown, some of them have been washed off the foundations. Water went in all the buildings. It looks like the restaurants and the Iron Horse station, bar and the hotel. And like I said, it's bad. Right here in lovely Hot Springs. The jewel, they call this the jewel of the Appalachian Mountains. I love to hike the AT through here. And I've spent a lot of time over here before. Up here on Mill Ridge where they have the pond. And then if you go up here, go down River Road, which I'm sure all that's washed out or pretty bad. You got Rich Mountain Lookout Tower. I've camped and hiked up there a lot of times. Here comes a big bus. Honk if you love you too, activity bus. Waving at everybody. Here comes an army vehicle. Oh Lord. As long as they don't run over me. Eustace! It looks like Eustace on the Mountain Men. Very beautiful right here in lovely Hot Springs. Even though it's been devastated by Hurricane Helene, Tropical Storm Helene, the storm of 2024. It's still a very beautiful town. They will bounce back. I love Hot Springs. I love everybody here. We need love more. We need more love, tolerance, respect, and kindness, friendship. Why can't we all just be friends? I understand people. You got good people, you got bad people. I don't think there's more good people than there are bad people. down and blow the horn. I was gonna say honk for you too. So they do have quite a bit of traffic here. It's not too bad right now. Here comes the vehicle with his lights flashing. RC Corman, it said. Man, that truck's running about 50 miles an hour. Oh gosh, don't run me over. You hear him blowing the horn behind me? That was nice, wasn't it? Man, they're flying coming through here. Speed limit's 30. It's 30 coming across the bridge, and then it's 20 right before you get to railroad tracks. Or right at the railroad tracks through town, it's 20 miles per hour. They're flying through here. Of course, I'm sure they're on a mission helping the community from Hurricane Helene, Tropical Storm Helene, right here in Madison County, the jewel of the Appalachian Mountains, Hot Springs. This is your boy, the Big O, right here on the Big O Show. Oversized load. I thought that was me being overweight. Gotta have a sense of humor, people. It wasn't home. I love Hot Springs, North Carolina, Madison County. I got him to honk. People, I'm not shy. I'm a vlogger. I run my mouth. Biggest mouth of the South. It doesn't matter if I'm in Kingsport, Tennessee, Irving, Tennessee, Hot Springs, North Carolina, Damascus, Virginia, Abingdon, Virginia. Everywhere I go, I'm the biggest mouth of the South. That's what I'm talking about. Look, coming across the bridge right here on the other side. Motorhome or something pulling the trailer. See it on the other side of the bridge. Couple heavy duty trucks, heavy equipment. See there? That road's probably a lot more narrow since it flooded. That's called the River Road right here in Hot Springs. I know this area really good because I've lived here on the Appalachian Trail for an entire year before. Hiking every spot over here. Asheville, Hot Springs, Mars Hill, Marshall, Walnut, what is it, Walnut Pond, Walnut, North Carolina, whatever, right there by Mars Hill. Walnut Community, I think it's called. Let's go back here and get that motor home. Get this truck to home. It went home. Maybe the horn didn't work. All right, I'm just gonna go downtown. I'm going to swing around, get a little bit of footage of the river. It's beautiful here. Even after Hurricane Helene came through here, Tropical Storm Helene, this is still a very beautiful town. Wouldn't you agree? They did blow the horn. Most people are friendly. I think we still got a bunch of good people in this world. Don't be mad, be happy. Be resilient, determined, dramatic, persuasive, loving, caring, all of the above. D. I'm right here in lovely Hot Springs. I just moved from the bridge to over here. I wave at everybody. One of my favorite hiking places besides Irwin, Tennessee, in Damascus, Virginia. I'm right at a Hot Springs Resort and Spa. I see right here it's not really that, does it really look that bad? But in town it really does look as bad as they had shown on the news. Gotta be happy, people. We can't get these 24 hours back. It doesn't matter what happens in life, you got to be happy. It doesn't matter if a hurricane comes, a flood, you gotta be happy. We only live one time on earth, and we go to heaven or hell, and we cannot get these 24 hours back. Be happy, be positive, be focused. Stay away from negative people. Always try to do the right thing. There goes the American flag, that's what I'm talking about. America, baby, USA. That's what I'm talking about. Fly that American flag, buddy. The mighty French Broad River. Here comes law enforcement. They told me to put my camera up. I'm just kidding. There he goes. I talked to him. I got him on my DJI Pocket 2 camera. He's really friendly. Fire department. Hot Springs. See? They're taking a left going down River Road. You know all these roads. So I'm hiking camp to every spot over here in the Hot Springs, Asheville, North Carolina area. And Marshall, and yet, of course you can see the Asheville sign. Marshall's 15, Asheville is 32 miles from here, from downtown Hot Springs, North Carolina, Madison County. The bridge goes over to French Broad, and I'm basically going to town and get a little footage of the destruction. I've already recorded it with my DJI Pocket 2. We got somebody sitting over here in the car. Just record them. Put them on my YouTube channel. I guess he's pulling security of the campground. That used to be a thrift convenience store. And I'm just heading into town to get some footage, my friends. Fish pulling the string. Here comes a bus, activity bus. It says Madison County Schools. I'm right here in lovely Hot Springs, North Carolina. It's really dusty. And this town is still a beautiful town, even though you see a lot of destruction. And let's go right down here. Things are not the same as they normally would be right here in Hot Springs. Buildings have been pushed off foundations, and all that good stuff. And the Iron Horse Saloon, Iron Horse Station, and the hotel has been washed out. They have the furniture outside, the tables. Let me zoom over here and show you. That's the restaurant booth. And it's sad to see this, but I know they will bounce back. And there's the dumpster. Let me get over here. From the flood, as you can see, everything's outside. So is that artist shop. The artisan. Some pistons go a little bit further, a lot closer. I will zoom down there right now, and you can really see the stores, the restaurants. You'll see stuff out on the sidewalk. Look at this. I guess you can tell now how much damage has really happened. Here. And like I said, I will get closer by walking down there. A guy standing in the street, I think, taking photos. I need to take that other lens off my camera. I've got a protective lens over this Canon camcorder. When you got a lot of bright flashing lights, it can cause a little bit of a light flare. But that's pretty much with any camera, especially when you zoom in. Alright, I'm fixing to go down here and get closer footage. Let me zoom in a little bit. There. A lot of traffic coming from different places. They're cutting through here and going to Nashville, like I said, from Greenville, Tennessee. There's a lady down here. Here's a cop car right here. See? That's I think the ones I talked to. They said they're from Beaufort. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got it right, North Carolina. You can look on the sidewalk and tell that, look, they've got everything out on the sidewalk, like I said a few minutes ago. Those yellow lights is causing a little bit of lens flare. Sorry, people. Carolina Custom. Nice Jeep or whatever. Jeep. Alright, I'm just gonna get some closer up footage right here on the Big O Show. Gotta give me something to drink. My mouth's like cotton. All this dust in the air. Look here. You can see for yourself. There you go. The right side, everything is out and damaged, the buildings, and also on the left side. The video is worth 1,000 words. Here comes some big trucks, so I won't stop the camera until I get a little bit closer up footage. When you get up really close to the stores, you can actually get a better view with the camera when you're back a little bit, because this has a great zoom. So lean on this pole right here. I'm starting to get tired. I've been vlogging and taking videos for an hour, I think, maybe longer. I'll wave at everybody. Honk if you love YouTube. Wave at everybody. I do a lot of vlogging in Kingsport, and I stand on the side of the road and I just start waving at people, and they think I'm crazy. I'm always happy. Honk if you love YouTube. Honk if you don't love YouTube. He waved at me. See, most of these people are not from here. They're crossing through here, the traffic. Smile, you're on YouTube, people. They done hit something with the front of their car. I can hear it. Pops has, old man. Honk if you love YouTube. There goes another old man, older than me. I'll be 56 this month. Both of them are like they're 76. Gotta have a sense of humor, people. Even in the middle of calamity, hurricanes, tropical storms, devastation, can't break a man's spirit. You can't break my spirit, baby. I'm tough as nails, cold as ice. Bad enough to break a rich man's wife. I'm fast as lightning, I'm strong as steel. That's why they call me the real deal. It ain't nothing. But actually standing right here, I can actually get a better zoom, a shot of the footage than when you're standing right in front of the stores. And I will do a little bit of zoom here. As you can see, a lot of traffic's coming through here going to like Asheville and places like that. Let me do a little zoom I was telling everybody about. Now here, over here to the left, is the tables from the Iron Horse station. The bar, restaurant, and the hotel, Iron Horse Station. They have the bar, restaurant, bar/restaurant, restaurant/bar, and the hotel's on top, the top floor. See all the restaurant tables and stuff? It has flooded all these buildings down here. And this art store over here called the Artisan Coffee, I guess local art, coffee, and espresso, unique gifts, all that good stuff. All right, I get them to honk. 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 If you love YouTube. That's FEMA truck. It said FEMA. Look here on the windshield. So FEMA is doing their part. I think these might have went to. I think these went to Asheville. See, and private companies. It says FEMA, Emergency Disaster Services. There goes FEMA trucks. 2 of them, semis. See there? It said FEMA on the windshield. As you can see by looking at the front of the stores and everything, there's a lot of damage to all these buildings. That's National Guard vehicles right there, buddy. Man, it's dusty. Can you tell? That's why I was complaining about I'm thirsty. And I guess all that dust is in my camera bag now. I'm surprised. If you look behind me, look at all this dust. Very bad. Dusty everywhere. Yep. You can see the dust. And you can see the destruction, people. It speaks for itself. Look at this. It looks bad. Right here in Hot Springs, North Carolina. One of my favorite towns. I love this place. I love the people, I love the town, I love the place. Even though they might not love the Big O right here in the Big O show. I love everybody. Life's too short to sit around and be negative, be be positive. I weighed them before. R.J. Corman. I don't know if that's the same truck or not. This battery's about dead, so I've got a lot of footage. I've got a backup battery. Honk if you love YouTube. 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 Man, they can't speak. They're probably joking with me. They probably understood. What'd you say? What'd you say? See, I'm not shy. They were 90%. They were joking. Because I got a big mouth, the biggest mouth in the South. The devastation is real, like I said, my friends. Look at this. All the concrete, the roads destroyed. Everything's out of the buildings. Dumpster right here. A lot of traffic coming through, going to Asheville and Mars Hill and Marshall and Asheville and all that, in Greenville, Tennessee, going back across the railroad tracks that way. I just wanted to be sure to get everybody a good view of what's going on. But the devastation is real, my friends. Everything's messed up. The foundations, the road, the sidewalks, right here in Hot Springs. Everything's outside of this building. This building has been washed off of the foundation. There's no power right here in Hot Springs, North Carolina. It's dark. This town has been pretty much destroyed downtown. Everything's messed up. The foundations, the road, the sidewalks, right here in Hot Springs. Everything's outside of this building. This building has been washed off of the foundation. There's no power right here in Hot Springs, North Carolina. It's dark. This town has been pretty much destroyed downtown. This Highway 2570. Go up this way, you can go to Newport. So I just wanted to clarify that there is power on this side of Hot Springs. That's a beautiful truck. Wouldn't you agree? Look at it. Pretty. How you doing? It was one guy told this other guy. He said there's no power in Hot Springs. It's not safe. So that's why I had said it in my video, because down here in the heart, right in the center of town, on this side of the bridge, right in the center of the bridge where the river goes underneath it, the little creek, whatever, there's not any power. I did not see any power. That's where all the buildings were damaged with all the water. And as you can see on this side of the bridge, there is power. So I'm going to clarify that they do have some power here in Hot Springs. Until next time, my friends, I love everybody. Leave those comments down below. Big O's got to go right here on the Big O Show. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, please. Please subscribe. That helps my channel to grow. You know you're boy the Big O right here on the Big O Show, Big O Reviews and Vlogs. Good night, everyone. I love everybody. Be energetic, persuasive, dynamic, influential, charismatic. Be happy. We can't get these 24 hours back, baby. And that's what I'm talking about. Can't keep a good man down. Big O got to go right here on the Big O Show.